guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable waist hip ratio on your BodyFast app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on statistics settings, just click on it. Then you go down here, you come here to waist hip ratio, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.